Hello everyone. I want to show you on how to trade on Binance. And as I told you on my first and second video that whenever you want to trade, please trade with USDT because USDT is the most stable coin to trade with on any crypto platform. So please and please, you have to use your USDT to trade on Binance. And what you have to do here is to click on your wallet. Take note of that. You have to click on your wallet. Then after that, and as you have watched in the first and second video, and if you have not watched that video, please go and listen to that video on how to transfer from your spot wallet to your funding wallet or from your funding wallet to your spot wallet. Whenever you want to trade, please don't forget that your USDT has to be in your spot wallet. So for that, that is how to go about that. Then the next thing to do now is to click on any coin that you want to trade with. That is, you can select any coin here. In case you couldn't find it on time because as many as the way they are arranged, all what you need to do is to come right here. That is, you come to click on this searching icon. Once you click on searching icon, just click any coin that you are searching for to trade. Assuming now that I want to search out Solana, let me just say SOL. It will bring out Solana instantly so that you'll be able to locate the coin that you want to trade with. So now the next thing is to click on that coin that you want to trade with. And I'm click on this now. I'm about to click on this. I've clicked on it. And the next thing now, you have to look here. Which one is it Solana slash ETH or Solana slash BUSD? No, not this, not this. Solana BTC, no, this is what you want to trade with because you have BTC on your wallet and you want to trade Solana of the one you have just selected. So you click on this, you click here, let me click here now. Now, as you can see, I'm about to buy now. Now I want to go into it practically because I have a little USDT on my wallet. Now I want to buy now at the rate because we have a different way of buying and selling. But the other one, I will show you that on why we're going into the selling proper. But now on the area of buying, let me quickly show you market. The first one I will show you now is on market, how to buy from the market, from the current price in the market. Let me first show you first. So you click on this icon here. You click on this icon. Don't forget. Once you click on that icon, then we will show you. Then go and click on market. That is, you want to buy directly from the current price in the market. So when you click on the market now, is it all your money, all your USDT you want to use, or is it 25% or 50% or up to 75% or 100%? Let's assume that you want to use a 50%. Let me click on 50% now. Let me click on 50%. Now the 50%, this is the amount that it shows up there. That is 61.25 USDT. That is what it worth. That is amount. Then the next thing now is now you want to buy directly from the market. You want to buy directly from the market, and once you click on buy, instantly it will buy this current market. This is the current price. This is the current price of Solana in the market now. As you can see, 37.96. And once you click on buy, instantly it will buy the Solana that you want to buy at the rate of 37.90. Now it's currently 90. Now it's already 38 now. So that is that. And when it goes up, you'll be able to sell. Like when it comes to, let me say 40, or when it comes to any higher amount that you earn within a minute, you earn something. Within a minute, within some minutes, you can earn like $2 to $3, $4 if you are so fortunate. As far as the market goes up, and you just quickly come to, in case you want to operate on market basis, that is, you want to be dealing with the current price in the market. That is when it goes up or when it comes down. That is when you are buying. Please take note of that. It's not you are selling. You are not selling now. So what am I saying is that when you buy lower here, when the market is down, when the market is the price of the market is lower, you buy. Please take note of that. Now you see now it has changed to 37, and the other time you see that it changed to 38. Assuming you have gotten your you have in the process of buying, you have bought the first one at the rate of 37, and it gets to a point whereby it reaches 38 or 39, and you come here to click on sell. That is huge amount of dollar you have earned within some minutes. That is how it works. So it is very interesting. That is on market basis. Now on limit basis, let me quickly show you because we have different way of buying and selling, just to be very careful. So you click on this icon. You click on this icon. You click on this icon again. That is on market. Market is the instant price in the market. That is what it deals with. Then now we want to talk on the limit. You click on limit. That is, you want to sell your order. That is setting an order. You click on limit, that this is exactly price. Now you want to give the system work to do for you. Please, system, for example, please, system, when this price gets to this, when it become lower, because presently it's 37.91. Let's assume that it's 37 point any amount here. Let's assume that it's 37 because it's every second is changing. So let's assume that it's 37.91. Now you want to tell system to buy lower because you must buy lower here. You can set it at 38.00 for example, and then you choose any amount that you want to. Is it all your money? Is it 25% of your USDT you want to use to buy? Is it 50%? Is it 75%? Is it 100%? You select anything of any one of your choice. Let's assuming we have selected 50% of the amount that we want to use to buy. I just want to, in practical now, I want to show you. Even if I'm going to lose, I don't bother. I'm showing you what will be of your benefit, because you have to be monitored. Assuming uh, if I'm doing the business as the way I used to do it. But now let me just try to buy it. Let me buy it with 50%. I want to buy it now at the rate of 37.90. Sorry. Let me set it. Though actually I'm supposed to have done that in the market side. I'm supposed to have done that. Now I want to target, because of our time, we'll not be able to wait for that. Let me say I want to buy now at the rate of 37. Please, I want to show you the practical. I want to show you, don't mind, even if I'm going to short, don't worry if I'm going to lose, if just a token amount of dollar that it will. Please, now I want to buy at the rate of 87. Let me set it 80. Let me say 89 instantly. Okay, no. Assuming I want to. Okay, now it's moving. I'm trying to target the price that will be in favor of, so that you be able to get it right. Because you are buying now, you must buy lower. So okay, let me set it on 88 or 89. When it comes to 89, I'll click 89. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, sorry. I suppose not. So that what I'm saying is that already the system has, because I want it to be lower than that 87, which is the current price. Now, instantly the system will buy instantly when it gets to that 37.89. I think you get it right. When it gets to 39, because it's higher, when I click on that buy, the rate has moved higher. So I don't need to. So because I've already clicked on that this thing. So now the order immediately, because I set it on limit. And limit means that you give the work for the system to do the job for you. That when the price become lower, that it should buy for you. Simple as ABC. It's very simple. It's very simple on limit stuff. Now we want to sell. Now we want to sell. Now we want to sell. Let me click on sell now. You want to sell. You click here. That is, you want to sell. Remember that we bought 37.89, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm not mistaken. Now we want to also sell 50% of our this available Solana, because we have bought Solana. We have both USDT and Solana now. I intentionally use that 50% for you to get everything right. So I want to click on 50% now. 50%. Let's see. This is the 50% of Solana. Now remember that when we bought this, we bought it at the rate of 37.89. But now it's 99. So let's quickly click on limit order, that when it gets to 35, because you have to set it higher now, you might decide to set it higher than that, because it's because of the, I want to show you that is why you might decide to send it at the rate of a 38 or 39. It depends on you. But now, just for you to be able to see the example, that is why I'm showing you this. So system, please send me this thing when it becomes 30. When it become okay, let me set it on 38 because it's about to get to 38. Please let me set this thing at the rate of 30. Okay, I want this thing to come down, so that we'll be able to see the practical of the order limit. It has go higher. So let me quickly change it. Let me quickly. Okay. Wow. So let me use 0.2. Let me use 0. Yeah, that's when it comes. Okay. Let me use 0.2. I want to order now. So I just want you to see that order. That is exactly what I'm after. I want you to see that order, so that you'll be able to know what I'm saying. So now I want to set it. There's sell. When it becomes 0.3, you can set it higher than that. As I've said, you can set it higher than that. Let me quickly on sell now, on sell order. So now you tell the system that when it becomes 38.03, that the system should sell for you. And whenever this thing gets to 38.03, it will sell this thing for you. And take note that when you were buying, you buy at the rate of 38.89. And when it goes up now, you know the amount that it will yield to you. Assuming, because I just use it as an example, I set my own higher than this. But just for you to show you, so that when it moves instantly, you just to see the example. That is the reason why I intentionally put it in that way, just for you to get it right. Now, also you can decide to cancel your order. It depends on you. You can decide that this order is too small. I want to make it higher, or you want to make it low so that you can sell on time on the limit stuff. That is on the limit. Now we want to go into what we call OCO. This is OCO. This OCO, you can sell or buy on OCO while you are sleeping, even while you are dreaming, even while you are traveling. That is when you are sleeping, you are not there with your phone or with your laptop. So the system do everything for you. In the limit, system do it for you while you are there just ordinary also watching. But on OCO, it prevents you from losing your money, both your capital or your profit. That is what the work of the COC do. You can click on that and return to your bed and be sleeping. So that is the work of COC. Let's quickly click on COC now. Let's click on COC. You click on COC. Now the price of COC now. Let's now please system. You want to give the job fully to system to do it for you. Please, so from example, I just want to now be telling you as it happened, like as if it's in practical. Please, system, you want to write system now. Kindly help me sell this thing at the rate of 30, let me say 38 point. You will set this higher because you want to go and sleep, or you want to travel. You don't even bother to come to take your phone or to check your laptop whether the system has sold it, or whether you will lose, or you will not have any kind of panic. You will not be scared that I don't want to lose this money. I don't want to lose both my capital and my profit. The system is doing the job for you. The system is doing the job for you. So you can decide to set it like let me say 39.00. It depends on where you are, how you want to set it. Then you must make sure that this will stop. That is, it will stop any moment the price goes lower than this amount you want to place here. That is, the system automatically will stop it for you. Even you are sleeping, even you are not there, the system will stop it for you. But you must make sure that the amount that you set here must be somehow moving very close to this current amount here. Let us try it. Let us try it. Let us try it. Let me say 37. When you get to 37, system, please do me a favor. Help me stop this so that I will not lose all my capital, all my money, all my profit. That is what you are telling system here in this top limit. That is what you are telling system. That is exactly what you are telling system. Excuse me. That is exactly what you are telling system. So please, what you need to do is just to, let me say, let me use this 77 so that you will not lose your money. Then you can come right here and type 77 points, let me say 0.69. So the system originally will set this thing for you when this thing becomes 97, and then when this current price, as you see, 97.76 here, when it go higher to this 39.00, automatically the system will set it for you, and instantly it will return your USDT into your wallet instantly. And when the system notice that the price goes down below this 37 here, that is the reason why you set this here. That when this system in case, so if you could not help me to set this amount of money at the rate of 39.00, please, for me to for you to prevent me to lose all my capital, all my profit, please help me return my money back at the current price in the market. Please, system, return my money back. Return. That is what you are telling the system. So instantly, when the price go below this current market price, instantly the system will return your money into your spot wallet. Your USDT will be returned instantly. So system is doing everything for you. So it will be just being like two orders that you have done. Now let me quickly check this. Let me check this now because it go be okay now. So now I want to click order. I want to click order now. Okay, no. Okay, I have to select this. That's why system is saying that I have to select this. Do you want to sell the 50% or 25%? Let's assume I want to sell 50%. You click on 50%. Don't forget that. You click on 50%. Then now, are you free to go? Now, but notice that the price, the current price has changed. Now, don't forget, you follow this current price, but it must go below a little bit, just a little bit. Let me show you now. Like, let me say, 79, because the current price now changed now. 79, so that when you get to 79, it must be below a little bit, below the current price a little bit, even if it's one or just exactly, just depends on you. So I want to say now. Now, success. Can you see? It is very simple as ABC. You can go and sleep now. So when you come to this, you will see here now. This is your target. You already lay your trap. That is, you are fishing. Are you getting it now? You are fishing. You can decide also to cancel all this if you want to reset it. It depends on you. You can click on or cancel all. It depends on you. But if I were you, I will wait, because the system is doing the job for you. It depends on you. Now the system is waiting till when this is the original price that the system will set for you. This is the stop limit, and is just an option. That is, the system will cancel this because you must sell this. System will cancel this. For you not to lose your money, you will it will use this thing for you, so that your money will be secured. Your capital will not lose your capital and your profit. But when the money when the system when it goes up, instantly you get your profit when you sell at the rate of 39.00. Can you just imagine how fantastic trading is on Binance? So, my friends, if you have not registered on Binance, it is better for you to go and do so. You will see the under the description of this video, you see the registration link. Just try to register, and on daily basis, every minute, every second, every, like, it is very simple as ABC. You earn every time you have time to just, even you are sleeping, you use OCO. Even you want to have the business face to face, you use limit. Even you want to face your laptop like this, you use market. So options, three options is there for you to trade conveniently, and you earn. You doesn't This is different from any other business that involves scamming or this or that. You earn while you are in your office, you earn while you are in the market, you earn while you are working, you earn while you are in the you are in the toilet, you earn while you are inside your room, inside your parlor, anywhere you are, you earn. Just click on it and the system is doing the job for you. Can you just imagine how fantastic it is? So if you have not subscribed, subscribe for this channel, so that when more fantastic of our video on legit 100% legit online business, you'll be able to see more of our video, interesting video you'll be able to see, and it will be of help to you to get yourself engaged into fantastic 100% online business that will not make you to lose your money. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends, to your family, to your colleagues, and click on subscribe button, so that you'll be able to see our video that will soon be uploaded on other legit 100% legit online business. So that is for that for today. That is for that. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.